Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to hack Subway Surf. First, you need to go Play Store, and then you need to download Subway Surf. Subway Surf, and install. Accept. Hold on. Okay. Now, once that's done, after all this finishes, I'll show you what to do from there. Hold on. You gotta wait. Just go to that, and then you have to install this app right here, Lucky Patcher. And then go to Lucky Patcher, go to Subway Surf, go to Open Menu of Patches, Create, Modified, and APK. Rebuild the app. And this might take a while, by the way, but I'll show you what to do from here on. I'll be right back. I'm back, and it's still not done. Wow. Come on, give it a couple minutes. I'll edit this video to get it past this. Or if I can't edit the video, I'll just skip it. Or you can just skip it, like, yeah. Oh. But after this is all done, I'm telling you, this app will work. And I'll put it down in the description. Switch to Boost Mobile and get 2 lines with 3 gigs of 4G LTE data per line for just $50 a month. With Metro PCS, you only get 2 gigs for the same $50. All of that fast and reliable Sprint nationwide network. Plus, switch today and get up to 2 free phones. Boost makes it easy to switch. Switching makes it easy to stay. Oh my gosh.
Introducing the easiest way to get Gillette blades. Text blades to Gillette on demand. Text your reorder blades to Gillette on demand, then get $3 off your first.
Now here's this. You're gonna want to click go to files. Click on this. Click on uninstall and install. Push OK. Then push install. Let that do its work. It might take a minute, by the way. Not a minute. It'd be quicker than the last time where it said please wait. Sorry, my brother's playing his TV in the background. Sorry. Here we go. Now click open. Now, if you update this, the stuff will go away. And if you see this, push close. Then do this. You get this over with. Get this over with. Now, after you get past the hoverboard, kill yourself. Now, go to home, get off of that, go to shop. Now, notice, go to store, notice how it says 0.57, 0.58, 0.27, 0.3. Well, you need to go to any one of them. Go to that, and then put. See, do you want to try this? Try to get this item for free. Push yes. Do not click none of those. Push yes. And there you go. You hack Subway Surf. Just keep on doing that, and you can do it with the keys too. And it's all free. All you gotta do. You can buy anything. Like this. See, I already did all this. I have to redo it all because I'm showing you how to do it right now. So, thank you. And whatever you want to do, it works. I'm just telling you, it works.